All right, we're out here at Summerhaven Beach. It is right now, tide is going out. Just trying to document some of the water. We just had a full moon, and so the ocean is pretty high. Tide is high. Normally we can walk right down this area here. This is the old A1A, which is where the road used to go years ago, but the ocean washed away the road and these rocks protected this end of it. So we're grateful of that. But right now it's definitely raging in, as you can see. And they are doing the road construction. So they're rebuilding Old A1A at this point in time, as well as doing some construction at the end of the walk here. So at some point in time, the main road will be good, but right at this moment, they're just building out the rebar and putting together the rest of the road. So finishing up the last end of the old road is what they're doing. We're just out for the day, just checking on the road, checking on the construction, see what's actually happening. Looks like it's been pretty busy for a while. It's hard to get in and out. This is our beautiful hut for a little day spot right here.